I wish I had known about energy and vibration when I was growing up was how to toggle, how to switch, like you toggle between computer screens, how to toggle between emotions. So I would get stuck in an emotion of disappointment, for example, and wallow in it. And I'm not talking about ignoring your feelings or stuffing them, but feel them as long as you need to, and then move on. Because see, I didn't always just move on, I would just stay there. So how do we toggle then to a higher vibration emotion like appreciation? Equipment can measure the vibration of appreciation and gratitude as the highest, right next to love, next to unconditional love. So you can raise your vibration by appreciating something. Find a beautiful color, a beautiful memory. And how can you then uplift that moment and hold that higher vibration long enough that you catch that wave? Because unprocessed emotions that get stuck in your tissues create disease. So we want to move that on through. Acknowledge it, process it on through.